Today is March 17th, 2023. In the US and around the world, the financial markets have been really bumpy, and people are very worried about banks, the problems at Silicon Valley Bank, the problems at Credit Suisse, the problem at Signature Bank. And there's a lot of worry about people being worried. There is a panic about panicking. You don't get a run on banks until everybody's really panicked, except that the panic makes more panic. Because I'm thinking you're probably in your 20s, you've never been through this. I have been through this. There was a run like this when Bear Stearns went and Lehman Brothers ran into trouble, and there was a new wave of regulation. And my mom's generation went through it with the Great Depression. And I experienced stories from them about what life is like when the economy is bumpy. The thing is, do not panic. When you panic, you make bad decisions. You start thinking, oh, I'm going to pull my money out and hide cash under my mattress. And so you do that. And then what happens is the Fed loses courage about raising rates. So all of a sudden inflation spikes and you just got paper stuffed under your mattress. You can't solve this with panic. What you can solve this with is staying calm and thinking about making sure that whatever you have, you know where it is, you're diversified. Do what you always should be doing, pay down your debt, cut your expenses. And I will give you some tips on that. But the most important thing is go on a news diet. A lot of these people are just wackadoo. I know, I worked with them. I worked with guys who just flipped out. Remember, you're dealing with people who are in love with money. They're, drinking Red Bulls. They're not sleeping. They're paid based on a top line and not a bottom line. They're worried about looking bad to somebody else. They're making stupid decisions because they're freaked out. Just because they're freaked out, you shouldn't be. So now's the time to be calm. This is a wave. Sometimes when you're in the ocean, you get a wave, you get water up your nose. That's okay. Calm down.